How does one go about designing a space that's for you? I'm an architect. I design hospitals. I deal with users every day. Users are the people who actually utilize the space. They tell me what their needs and wants are. I put it together on plans. But how do you do it when it's your own space? When you really have to sit down and say, how am I using this space? How am I going to use this space in the future? Does it have to be flexible? What kind of functions am I going to have? I'm utilizing this space together with Samantha, and certainly she has ideas and colors and things that she has in mind. How do we compromise in a joint effort that works for both of us? You can't just draw up a set of plans and have it finalized in one moment. It's actually thinking about the kind of things that we do and knowing what the space is going to be utilized for, and also ensuring that a lot of the basics are done. Specialty items, storage items, spaces for all my drawings and plans, and those have to be handy. It's not an easy journey. You're best off having a professional, kind of being an arbitrator. And we kind of did this for ourselves. I mean, my being an architect and Samantha being an image consultant really gave us the foundation of what we needed. But our journey together and figuring all these pieces out were complex. Figure it out, talk things through, love each other, but make it work.